Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Just cleaned up my room, made up my bed so I can hit these streets. I have to go out and find some fall decorations for one of my clients. The colors are navy blue, but I'm gonna incorporate in like some pretty burnt orange and maybe like some deep reds, because they do have a room that has like navy blue, orange, and reds in it. So if I can pull all those colors together, then that's gonna be cool. I'm gonna be decorating that next weekend. I will be showing y'all what it looks like, but that's what I'm about to go out and do. I pretty much have all my stuff and I'm still adding things in there, but my new light fixture came. I'm gonna show you guys that, and I have to get somebody to put it up. So once I get that up, then I feel like I can go ahead on and show what that room looks like with the cerulean blue. It looks really pretty. But I will say, even though it looks good, I am very anxious to go ahead and start adding my mauve and my wine. I don't know, I'm just that girl that just likes that shade. I love blush tones and mauves and stuff. So even though it looks really pretty with the blue in there, I just realized that it doesn't have my heart the way that the other color does. But Jalen really wanted me to switch it up this year too, because you know she loves turquoise. That's her color. And I always try to get her to switch over and she's like, nope. So she was like, Mom, do cerulean or whatever. So that's why I went on and incorporated that down there. But anyway, getting ready to go out. I know I'm gonna hit Home Goods, you know, the usual stores, Home Goods, Ross, Marshalls, see what all they have. For this particular client, I'm probably gonna end up going in like Pottery Barn, Crate and Barrel as well, because their dining room is the one that I did and I showed in the video, and all that stuff came from Pottery Barn and Crate and Barrel. So it kind of goes with the aesthetic of their home, so I'm gonna run up in there as well. So we got a lot of places to hit up today, y'all. And oh yeah, I have to add my little zgallerie pillow came, and I need to put it on my bed so we can go ahead on and unbox it so y'all can see what it looks like. It's so cute. So my pillow is in this zgallerie box. I only ordered it 2 months ago and it took 2 months to come, but I feel like it's gonna be worth it. So let's snap it open. It's so freaking pretty. Oh guys, it's so gorgeous. Do you see it? Do you see? I love it. It's perfect for my room. So let's go ahead on and add it on the bed. I don't have my tripod or anything, so I'm just gonna put it here, right here. Cute. Y'all know we gotta karate chop that thing. So I have all shades of black and gold on the bed. Oh, that looks so good with all my other pillows. Yes, honey. That's pretty. So I'm glad that finally came. I guess it was worth the wait. I'll say it was worth the wait. I mean, it took 2 whole months. Literally ordered this 4th of July. It is almost mid-September for me to get it. But I absolutely love it. And I might order 2 more because I think right now they have 20% off with free shipping. I missed the 30% off, but yeah. So anyway, let's go ahead on and head out to these stores because I don't want to be left with nothing to choose from, because I know everybody goes out on Saturday and starts shopping, and I need to make sure that I can get the good stuff too. So yeah, let me go get my breakfast. I placed the order at First Watch and pick that up and then get in these stores. Need some pretty fall florals. These are really pretty. I do want some with more orange. Ooh, these are nice. All of those are nice. Ooh. OMG, y'all. It is ridiculously hot outside. I had to shed some clothes. You may be able to see a little bit of my strap, but it's the same color as my tank top, so it's okay. I'm so tired. It is almost 4 o'clock. I've only been to 2 stores so far. Hobby Lobby, Home Goods. I actually found a lot of good stuff in there. So I still do need to go to Pottery Barn. I'm looking for one thing in particular. Ooh, I want to take a nap. How about that? I think I should take a nap and then regroup. So maybe if I go home first and come back out when the sun goes down a little bit, I won't feel so exhausted. I have my air up and everything. I don't know why I just feel so hot today. But I'm super excited that I did get a lot of stuff that I needed for my client space. So we about to be good. I'm gonna share a haul video showing y'all everything that I got. But I can't wait for y'all to see how I'm gonna incorporate this navy blue with these traditional colors. It's really pretty. I will say I don't like that bright orange, but the burnt orange that looks almost like cognac is really pretty with the navy blue. So it's gonna be fire. Okay, so we're going in Pottery Barn. Let's see what we got going on here. It's always so pretty. Alright guys, so while I was at Home Goods, I found this gold piece right here. It's a gold wall piece. I am about to put it above my bed. So my wallpaper is silver, ivory, and white. And I want to add some gold to that wall because I have a lot of gold accents and stuff in here. So I am gonna put this here. Can't you see? I think it'll look really good just to kind of add some gold above my bed. So let's put this up. I love it. It looks really good. Exactly what I needed. I just put a little pumpkin in my vignette because before I just had the flower and the candle. So since it's fall, I figured I'd just add a little pumpkin through there. Alright guys, so this is all of the stuff that I purchased. I've got a lot of bags here for the decorating of my client space. What is this? Oh, lots of stems. And then I've got some more stems here. Debating if I'm gonna use these, but I know for a fact I love the burnt orange and the mustard. So I'm gonna do a haul video so I can show everything that I purchased. And I think it just makes more sense for me to show you how I decorated at the end of that haul video. So stay tuned so you can see what's in all of these goodie bags.